Right, so in this video, I'll be teaching you how to use the XLOOKUP function in Excel. And so here we're given a data set of the different fruits in our grocery list, and we're asked to find the price of the apple. We can do that by using the XLOOKUP function. So press equals and type in XLOOKUP, like this, and choose our lookup value, which in this case is the apple, since we're trying to find the price of the apple. And our lookup array is where in the data set is the lookup value located, right? In this case, it's here. It's with the list of other fruits. So highlight that array, and our return array is what we're looking for, which in this case is the price of the apple, right? So it is right here. So select, highlight all the prices. And lastly, an extra input we can choose to input is the if not found. So for example, if we type in a fruit that's not in the grocery list, what do we want XLOOKUP to return? Let's just say in this case, fruit not found in grocery list. Right, so let's close the bracket and press enter, and we get that the price of an apple is 1.20 bucks, right? If we change this to banana, for example, it will change as well to 0.5. Now going back to our if not found input, let's say I try to type in coconut. What happens is XLOOKUP will type down the following: fruit not found in grocery list. And yep, that's about it for the video. Let me just put in the formula for you guys to copy, and yeah, there it is.